If you're experiencing an upload stuck issue on Loom Enterprise, follow these simple steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause uploads to get stuck. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Refresh the Loom application. Close the Loom application and reopen it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the upload to hang. If you're using a browser, refresh the page. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update the Loom application. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Loom application. Check for updates and install them if available, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Contact Loom support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Loom's customer support. Provide them with details about the problem, and they can assist you further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the upload stuck issue on Loom Enterprise. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.